I am now looking into how to use WPML and syncing menus between languages. Here on this development site, we have in products. When I click products here, we have products in Norwegian and in English. So right now I am in English, I believe. So I'll just click a product here. We see the EN here, and it is in English. I will click the Norwegian. It should switch between. And it switches between Norwegian and English. So that means now I am in Norwegian menu. I should then switch to, I can look at the bottom, in the bottom here, status area 2, if it is in Norwegian. The default is in Norwegian, so there is no EN there. I will then switch back to English and we'll look at this again. I'll hover over products, and when I look in the bottom now, status area, I see it says a dev and EN for English language. So here I can then, if there's an error here, for instance, I can go to menus. I will need to select the correct menu. So this uses Enfold. So I'll use English top menu here and select. Here I see the English top menu. So I can jump between Norwegian and English by clicking the translation here. Here I then see the Norwegian menu, and I will go back to English. So it just gives an overview of that. So if there's any adjustments that I need to make, I will need to then clicking the English menu, having that available, I will click synchronize menus between languages. And here it will go into WPML, into WP menus sync. So that is in here. I will look through, I will see what needs to be adjusted. I see this link, or maybe just the title, needs to be adjusted. Here it gives an overview. Items will be added, untranslated. This is untranslated, and untranslated strings for menus. So here I need to just click, then sync. And it is still in WP menu sync, and when there are adjustments that I need to make, I will just kind of click this, or I can probably just click both. Here I'll just kind of click the English here, and it will jump into string translation, which is another area here. And it will give me then, it will say it needs the English translation. There is no English translation here yet. So I can click the plus sign, and it says search bar. I'll just add also the same name to English. In Norwegian it would say søk, which is search. And that's it, what I need to do for this. So now it's turned into a pencil. It's the menu. So I'll go to products here, and it should be fine here. So here, for instance, another thing, I want to change the link name. You see the line here in front. I'm going to have to change a line here in front. I'm going to go into appearance and then menus. I will just change the title of and the various objects, just kind of removing the dash. And need to go to correct menu here. And then I can just kind of look through the list, and I see there's a dash here, so I'll just kind of open it up, and there's a navigation label. I can just here remove the dash if there is one. For instance, this one, I'll just remove the dash. And I'll just kind of go through and remove the dash for the name. And this was earlier just a way to signal what was English and what was not. But now that I'm using WPML, it now will make it really clear what is Norwegian and what is English, just by a translation that is available. So this will just change the appearance of the menu items and what they look like here on the front end. So I will just kind of save it in a moment and we will look at it. Okay, I'll just open this here up here, refresh. And here we see the dashes, but after refresh, dash is now gone from the appearance and what the title of each look like. So I'm gonna have to remove it from there as well. So that's basically how one syncs menus with WPML.